Wondering if the Stash app is worth it in 2025? Well, let's break it down. Stash is still one of the best apps for beginner investors. It offers easy access to fractional shares, curated ETFs, and retirement accounts like Roth IRAs. The app's educational tools and simple interface make it great for learning and building good money habits. One downside is the monthly fee, which starts at $3. If you're investing small amounts, fees can eat into your returns, so keep that in mind. But if you invest regularly and grow your portfolio, the fee becomes less of a concern. Stash's stock-backed debit card and auto-invest features adds extra value by helping you invest effortlessly. Plus, their customer support has improved in recent years. Overall, if you want a beginner-friendly, hands-off investing app with solid features, Stash is worth considering in 2025. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more reviews. Got questions? We drop them below.